In Python, the hex function converts a number to its corresponding hexadecimal string representation. If you pass 255 into hex, you get back the string 0xFF. Quiz time! If you want to remove the 0x from what hex returns, what's the best way to do it in a single line? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, in my opinion, you're removing an exact string from the start of a string. The best solution is call lstrip on it and pass in 0x. The oct function in Python converts a number to its octal string representation. If you pass 63 into oct, you get back the string 0077. If you're unfamiliar with bases other than base 10 or decimal, octal is similar to base 10. In base 10, every place has a value 10 to some power. All that's different in octal is that every place has a value of 8 to some power. So 0077 is 7 times 8 to the 0th power, plus 7 times 8 to the first power. In other words, it is 7 plus 56, or 63. Like and subscribe to learn more.